Innovation leads diversity. Quality embodies craftsmanship. Embrace intelligent reformation with digital transformation. Innovation pioneering new realms. Multi-body dynamics and rigid flex decoupling simulation analysis techniques are applied to achieve accurate payload analysis. Our forward R&D capabilities are at the forefront of the industry. Our products have the characteristics of large tonnage, complete set, and tailor-made, and we have built the product spectrum with the advantages of all series, all working conditions, and all weather. We have become the professional company with the R&D and large-scale manufacturing capability for complete range of undercarriage products. Transformation, intelligence of production. Where imagination becomes a reality, the light of intelligence illuminates the machinery of human civilization. Here, the world's most advanced manufacturing equipment and eco-friendly, intelligent production lines ensure help us meet customer needs quickly. The entire process from blanking, forging, heat treatment, welding, machining, assembling, and painting. This high level of integration has become the driving force behind intelligent transformation, digital conversion, and interconnection. By combining advanced and sophisticated equipment, robust cluster and digital operation platform, we have realized unmanned production and online intelligent detection in the entire production process. We ensure a three-level reliability system of raw materials, key components, and complete machine runs efficiently across the full product life cycle. It ensures every part and every set of equipment shines with the radiance of craftsmanship. Sharing, empowering solid success. Powers ultra-heavy-duty mining excavators with formidable strength and ensures rock-solid reliability for extra-large torque rotary drill rigs. Together, let us create a brighter future.